India has entered into a new era of ingenious production and manufacturing, and the world has finally realized the tremendous business and service potential of India. Visionaries like Mr. Sanjeev Soni, Managing Director of Meenakshi Polymers Private Limited, saw this potential decades back when, in 1987, he established the company as an ancillary to Hero Group of companies, with an aim to provide complete seating solutions for Hero Group. Soon the company expanded in leaps and bounds to incorporate seating solutions for the entire automobile sector. Prior to this, Mr. Sanjeev Soni was already a successful entrepreneur, having established 2 companies supplying forging components and cycle manufacturing parts to Hero Cycles Limited. Currently, Meenakshi Polymers has 7 plants operating in Haridwar, Dadri, Gurgaon, Manesar, Binola and Neemrana, with its head office in Delhi. The company is jointly managed by Mr. Bharat Soni, Mr. Kunal Soni and Mr. Vibhav Soni. Meenakshi Polymers are leading manufacturers of all types of PU foams, seat assembly, seat covers, headrest, truss components and various other automobile accessories that meets the international quality standards for motorcycles, bicycles, scooters, luxury coaches, buses, cars and tractors. Our products range also includes seating for cinema halls, computer chairs, office chairs and all type of furniture foams. In addition to the above, the group specializes in manufacturing high-pressure die-casted parts for automobile and electrical appliances. Meenakshi Polymers is also exporting die casting products and bus seats to overseas markets. Meenakshi Polymers manufactures durable puff panels, also known as rigid panels, that can be used to build any type of shelters like telecom shelters, site offices and guard rooms, among others, that are not only economical, time-saving but also resistant to weather and nature. Meenakshi Polymers is also manufacturing comfortable foam mattresses under the brand name Vibe with the most modern and sophisticated technologies. Our production capacities of all 7 plants at Meenakshi Polymers are semi or fully automated. This enables for faster production, minimum human involvement, precision in finished products, uniformity in design and minimum wastage of resource. Each plant is a state-of-the-art functional unit that operates on specially designed machines such as PLC-controlled German high-pressure reaction injection molding machine with latest technologies, complying all parameters as per Japanese standard JIS K6401, sophisticated coating and plating plants. Weld shops, tool shops, press shops ensure the finished products are of highest international standards. As per observing the standards of IS 778, Meenakshi Polymers PU foam seats are distinguished to provide 10-year guarantees on its manufacturing. We have been awarded all the necessary production and safety certifications from international and national certification bodies like TS 16949-2009, ISO 9001-2008, EMS ISO 14001-2004, OSAS ISO 18001-2007. Meenakshi Polymers is also one of the few prestigious green supplier chain vendor associated with Hero Motocorp Limited. dedicated quality lab with state-of-art equipment is also established in each plant that takes care of product qualities at each stage of production. Our quality mantra for esteemed clients is achieving supreme comfort, economical pricing, durability of the products, timely delivery and unfailing after-sales service. To ensure timely delivery to our clients, every production unit has its own warehousing and transport logistics departments for raw material as well as finished goods. Meenakshi Polymers has a distinguished list of clients from across India with whom our relationship is built on deep trust, commitment, timely delivery and quality control. We are proud to serve companies like Hero Motors, Hero Motocorp, GBM Group, BICL, Mahindra Motors, Swaraj Mazda, Sonalika Group, Krishna Maruti, among others. The company has huge market base overseas as well, with its strong presence in continents like North America, Europe, Asia and Middle East. Meenakshi Polymers began with one state-of-the-art factory in 1987. Today, in less than 30 years, Meenakshi Polymers has grown to 7 units in 4 different states across India, employing thousands from rural and semi-urban areas, contributing to development of both states and nation at large. The company has current market turnover of around rupees 300 crores. So next time you wonder who made your travel so comfortable in buses, cars and two-wheelers, you know who to remember. Meenakshi Polymers Private Limited, making momentous contribution to the nation's automobile industry.